Good morning! Our plan today is Basilica de Nuestra Señora de Guadalupe.
La Basilica de Guadalupe is the most visited Catholic shrine in the world after the Vatican. It draws millions of pilgrims each year. It was built to house the original tilma of Juan Diego, the cloth that bears the image of the Virgin of Guadalupe, which believers say miraculously appeared in 1531. The new Basilica of Guadalupe was built in 1976 with a unique circular design so the tilma can be seen clearly from anywhere inside. Its modern structure was created to replace the old sinking basilica and can hold tens of thousands of pilgrims at once. Masses are held every hour from 6 a.m. to 8 p.m. on Sundays, making it one of the most active Catholic sanctuaries in the world. In 1921, a hidden bomb exploded in front of the altar, shattering the area and bending a heavy bronze crucifix into its famous twisted shape. It is believed that this crucifix absorbed the blast and miraculously protected the tilma.
Just finished Mass, and now we're going to see the tilma up close. So there's an escalator here where people can go through. They did this so it doesn't get crowded and people are able to move very easily. But yeah, that's the tilma, Santa Maria de Guadalupe.
According to tradition, the Virgin Mary appeared to Juan Diego in 1531, speaking to him with maternal compassion and asking that a church be built in her honor. When Juan Diego presented his tilma to the bishop, the miraculous image of Our Lady of Guadalupe appeared, affirming the authenticity of the apparition. The image carried profound theological symbolism that resonated with the indigenous communities and helped them understand the Catholic faith more deeply. Her appearance is credited with inspiring the conversions of millions, making Guadalupe one of the most significant events in the history of Catholicism.
Right outside, there's a little gift shop where you can buy some Articulos Religiosos. So we're just gonna take a look around, see, and hopefully we can walk around a little bit more.
The Old Basilica of Guadalupe was built in the early 1700s with a grand Baroque design to house the miraculous tilma, becoming one of the most important Catholic pilgrimage sites in New Spain. Over time, the soft lake-bed soil beneath it caused the structure to sink and tilt dramatically, leading to safety concerns and the construction of the new basilica in the 1970s. Today, the old basilica has been stabilized, restored, and remains open to visitors, serving as a powerful historical reminder of centuries of devotion. La Parroquia de las Capuchinas is located beside the Old Basilica of Guadalupe and serves as a parish for local residents and pilgrims. Its purpose is to provide a place for regular masses, sacraments, and community spiritual activities. The entrance to Tepeyac Hill features a decorative fountain and a wide set of steps that lead pilgrims toward the shrine of Our Lady of Guadalupe. Visitors often pause here to say prayers, light candles, or reflect before beginning their ascent. This area is bustling with pilgrims carrying flowers or offerings, creating a deeply spiritual and communal atmosphere that sets the tone for the journey up the hill.
Mariposa.
The path is lined with statues, shrines, and areas where pilgrims can stop to pray or leave offerings. As you ascend the Tepeyac Hill, you see the new basilica towering above, surrounded by plazas and smaller chapels. The Chapel of Apparitions sits at the top of Tepeyac Hill, marking the exact spot where the Virgin Mary is said to have appeared to Juan Diego. Pilgrims visit to pray, leave flowers, and reflect at this deeply sacred site. From the top of the hill, you can enjoy sweeping views of the surrounding neighborhood and the city streets below. The vantage point allows visitors to see bustling markets, local homes, and plazas filled with pilgrims. It's a peaceful spot to pause, reflect, and take in the vibrant life of the area. As you descend the other side of Tepeyac Hill, the path leads toward a series of fountains and small shrines. Pilgrims often stop here to wash their hands or touch the water, following traditions passed down by the indigenous communities.
So ito yung pinikap niya yung mga roses.
Here at Tepeyac Hill, this is I believe the back of the hill, but this is the grotto where Mama Mary appeared to Juan Diego. So there is a fountain and statues of the natives and Mama Mary.
The fountain grotto on Tepeyac Hill depicts the Virgin Mary appearing to Juan Diego, surrounded by symbolic figures representing indigenous devotion. The fountain features flowing water and intricate stonework, creating a tranquil, reflective space for pilgrims. Muchas gracias por ver este video. Recomiendo a los peregrinos que visiten la Ciudad de México por su rica cultura, su hermosa historia y su gente. Este memorable viaje con mi familia realmente ha profundizado mi fe católica.
Santa María, Madre de Dios, ruega, Señora, por nosotros pecadores,